How to save hotels to your wishlist on Agoda. First of all, open the app on your device and sign into your account. Next, use the search bar to find hotels in your desired destination. Once you see a list of available hotels, browse through the options to find one you like. To save a hotel, tap on the heart icon or Save to Wishlist button on the hotel listing. You can also open the hotel details page and tap the Save Heart icon to add it to your wishlist. All your saved hotels will be stored in the Saved section accessible from the bottom menu on the home screen. From here, you can easily view, compare or manage your wishlist hotels at any time. Saving hotels allows you to quickly check prices, availability and special deals later without searching again. It's a great way to organize your travel plans and never miss a deal on your preferred accommodations. Now you know how to save hotels to your wishlist on Agoda. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more booking tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.